Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a simple yet powerful way to burn that stubborn belly fat, using a refreshing smoothie. If you're looking for a natural way to boost your metabolism and trim your waistline, this is the video for you. Here are the star ingredients: a small bunch of celery, half a cucumber, half a lemon, 1 large green apple, and a 1-inch knob of ginger. Each of these ingredients plays a unique role in helping you shed those extra pounds. First up, we have celery. This low-calorie veggie is packed with fiber and water, which helps keep you full longer. It's also great for flushing out toxins from your body, giving your digestive system a nice cleanse. Next is cucumber, another hydrating, low-calorie option. Cucumbers help reduce bloating and inflammation, which is key when you're trying to slim down your midsection. Lemon is our vitamin C powerhouse. It boosts your metabolism and aids in digestion, which is essential for burning fat efficiently. Plus, its refreshing tang gives the smoothie a zesty kick. Now, let's add a large green apple. Apples are full of fiber, which helps to curb your appetite and keeps your blood sugar levels stable. This means fewer cravings and less snacking between meals. And finally, the secret weapon, ginger. This spicy root has thermogenic properties, which means it helps increase your body's temperature, boosting your metabolism and helping you burn more fat. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, it's time to blend. Just toss everything into your blender with a cup of water to help it all mix together. Blend until smooth, and there you have it, your belly fat burning smoothie. This drink is not only healthy but also delicious, making it easy to stick to your weight loss goals. Enjoy this smoothie in the morning on an empty stomach, or as a refreshing midday snack. With consistent exercise and a balanced diet, this drink can help you achieve a flatter tummy in no time. Cheers to a healthier you. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more healthy tips and recipes. See you next time.